Hey everyone, it's Andre here. I have a client, Adrian and Shadi. They just bought the most ideal beach property that I've seen in a long time. It's steps to the water, and it's gonna be a multifamily, either a duplex or a triplex where the owner can live there and rent out the other units, or leave it as a pure investment property and have it positively cash flow for them. You gotta contact me to see this place. It's to die for. Hey everyone, welcome to Beach Investing. I'm your host, Andre Angelkowski. We're here in the prime beaches and we're about to look at the most ideal beach property. So, this is a property that has everything that I believe is very valuable for the beaches. It's very large, it's got parking, it's got a garage, and it has the proximity to the lake that everybody wants. You're obviously renovating everything, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna be, you got it to the
studs.
To the studs.
We're thinking probably this area, take this down and have this as a large kitchen. Enlarge the windows at the back with the view of the lake.
One great feature is having this walkout, which you back onto a little mini park here, which also backs onto Balmy Beach Club. And then you have views of the lake. These walls are here right now. Will they still be here? We'll see. But the intention for this floor is to create an open concept family room kitchen with a bedroom and then 2 more bedrooms upstairs. Everything looks very like old character. Are you planning on keeping any of this?
We'll try to incorporate it in the design, but at the end of the day, we'll see what we come up with.
And last but not least, let's go see the basement. The dungeon right now.
Yeah.
The soil on the ground, it's all sand because we're in the beaches. Like we're so close to the beach that it's sand. So you need a specialist sort of in the area to do the underpinning and who understands the structure of the building.
Right by the water, right? What's not to love about the property?
Of course. This is the before picture, so I will show you hopefully some durings, and then you will see the after when we do some celebration.
Yeah.
Right? Thanks, Adrian. I
No
appreciate
problem.
it.
Thank you.